इम्पोर्टेंट होगा और मिडगट में भी इम्पोर्टेंट होगा, प्लीज रिमेंबर. सो द वेंट्रल बॉर्डर rotates to the right, dorsal border comes to the left. The left side of the stomach becomes the ventral surface. Right side becomes the dorsal surface, जो इसमें सामने अभी नहीं दिख रहा है. This is happening because of rotation of the stomach. Again, I am telling you, 90-degree clockwise rotation. So from 4 to 8 weeks, the developing stomach grows in all directions to become a sac-like structure. It grows फ्यूजिफॉर्म होता है, बाद में डोर्सल बॉर्डर ज्यादा ग्रो करता है, वेंट्रल बॉर्डर कम ग्रो करता है. 5th week, the dorsal border grows faster than the ventral border, giving rise to greater curvature of the stomach, and the ventral border grows less, gives rise to lesser curvature of the stomach. At 8th week, if you see here, the stomach acquires its characteristic shape. This we saw, 90-degree clockwise rotation. There is also rotation on the transverse axis. So one rotation was this, along this axis, longitudinal axis. Another rotation is also around the transverse axis. So movement is on the transverse axis. So because of the transverse axis, the caudal end, this was the caudal end, lower end of the stomach moves upwards and to the right. Caudal end जो यहाँ था, वो move करता है upwards and to the right. And the cephalic end moves downwards and to the left. So the pyloric end moves upwards and to the right. The cardiac end moves downwards and to the left. And that is how stomach becomes horizontal. ये इधर चला गया, ये इधर आ गया, तो स्टमक एक तरह से ट्रांसवर्स हो गया, upward to the right, downward to the left. So two things are happening to the stomach. Size is increasing, clockwise 90-degree rotation along the longitudinal axis, as well as there is a rotation around transverse axis, where the lower end comes up and right, upper end goes down and left. इसके अलावा जैसा कि हमने बात किया, फोलगेट एंडोडर्म will form epithelium, gastric pits, gastric glands. Splenomegaly mesoderm will form connective tissue, smooth muscle, blood vessels. Neural crest from the ectoderm will form autonomic nerve plexuses, parasympathetic, as you know, and other sympathetic, mainly submucosal and myenteric nerve plexuses. So this is how endoderm, mesoderm, ectoderm, all three are taking part in stomach also. ये आपको पहले वाले नॉलेज से पता होना चाहिए था. At 8th week, the rugi pits, smooth muscle are formed. 10 to 20 weeks, the chief cells and the parietal cells are formed. 8 to 9 months, the glands become functional and they secrete HCl and enzymes. There is a positional adjustment of stomach. It descends due to rapid elongation of the esophagus. The cardiac end of the stomach descends. बस इतना ही काफी है. It descends. There's a tilting also from vertical position. It acquires oblique and then transverse, which we saw. And there's a rotation, जो अपन ने बात किया, 90 degree around the vertical axis, so that the original dorsal border curvature becomes the left, and the left surface becomes ventral. Shift to the left of both the dorsal mesentery and the stomach. तो stomach जो midline में था, वो as you can see is shifting slightly towards the left. So if you see a transverse section, this was developing stomach. Now ventral to it also there was a mesentery. Dorsal to it is also mesentery. This is called as ventral mesogastrium. This is dorsal mesogastrium. This is dorsal aorta, notochord and developing neural tube. ओके, लिवर स्प्लीन बाद में देखेंगे. सो कुछ चीजें वेंट्रल मेसोगैस्ट्रियम में डेवलप होती है, कुछ चीजें डोर्सल मेसोगैस्ट्रियम में डेवलप होती है. ये स्टमक है. वेंट्रल मेसोगैस्ट्रियम, उसमें लीवर डेवलप होता है. डोर्सल मेसोगैस्ट्रियम, डोर्सल मेसेंट्री, जिसमें स्प्लीन डेवलप होता है. दीज आर द टू किडनी. Now you read the development of stomach and come next time. You will enjoy. Now you make your habit in such a way that even if you have not read, you should be in a position to write. तो स्टमक का आप जनरल तो लिख ही सकते हैं, कब डेवलप हुआ, कितने लेयर, अंदर का लेयर, मिडल लेयर, बाहर का लेयर, एंडोडर्म से, मेसोडर्म से, एक्टोडर्म से. इसके अलावा जो आपको लिखना था वो था, जो अलग था वो ये है, there is a longitudinal rotation clockwise 90 degree, as well as there is a transverse rotation where the caudal end and the cranial end moves up and down, and there is a positional adjustment. Next time we will see abnormalities of stomach and development of parts related to stomach. Okay, fine. Any question? I hope you must have understood the concept clearly. If there are any question, you can ask me in the next class also. But before that, please read and come, so that you will benefit better, you will benefit more. Thank you. Please enter your roll numbers.